One of my favorite types of animals isn't a specific species, it's actually keystone species. If you don't know what a keystone species is, I've got you. They are basically animals that keep the balance in the ecosystem they live in. Because of this, if a keystone species were to die out, that means a bunch of the other animals living in that ecosystem would die out too. Think of this like the bottom of a Jenga tower, where if you take the bottom piece out, the rest would fall. There are many different types of keystone species, many that would probably surprise you. You have wolves, alligators, beavers, sea otters, bees, and hummingbirds, and even starfish. Each ecosystem these animals inhabit is dependent on these animals for balance and survival. The concept of a keystone species was actually discovered by Robert T. Payne. No, not that T-Pain. This T-Pain actually had two tide pools filled with starfish and mussels, one of which he left alone, but the other one he would toss out all the starfish he could see in there. And no, you can't just go around throwing animals and calling yourself a scientist. After leaving these pools for a while, he found that the pool where he removed all the starfish had tons of mussels that killed many of the other animals that lived there. But the one that he didn't was perfectly healthy.